Pay close attention, as this point is fundamental to our upcoming series on hybrid and electric hypercars. From this moment on, we are implementing a new standardized nomenclature protocol. This is the key to interpreting our future dissections. I strongly suggest taking notes or pausing the video if necessary, as failing to master this nomenclature from the outset will make it impossible to follow the technical thread of the systems we will analyze. Every dissection you see on this channel will follow our traceability formula: component plus OEM plus model. By using specific abbreviations for manufacturers, OEMs, and models, we are establishing a common technical language that links every data point directly to the vehicle's DNA. If you do not understand this structure, you will be unable to decipher the elite architecture we are about to break down. This is our new standard. Use it as your master guide for the rest of this series. Slide summary, ready for copy and paste. New technical identification protocol. Importance: this is the official nomenclature for all our hybrid and electric hypercar dissections. Warning: take note. Understanding this system is indispensable for following the level of technical detail in our upcoming analyses. Traceability formula: component acronym plus OEM plus model. Key terminology: OEM, original equipment manufacturer, the primary entity responsible for the vehicle's design and assembly. Application: standardized abbreviations will be used to identify brands and models with speed and precision. Technical terminology: reference guide, OEM, original equipment manufacturer, the primary entity responsible for the design, engineering, and final assembly of the vehicle. Elite, luxury performance, a classification reserved for top-tier automotive engineering, encompassing high-end technical architectures. 2. Identification formula, standardized framework. To ensure absolute technical traceability across all our dissections, every system must adhere to this identification protocol: component acronym plus OEM plus model. Component acronym, the specific technical system, e.g., MGU, S, CAN bus. OEM, the manufacturer brand identifying the architectural source. Model, the specific hypercar or luxury performance model under dissection. 3. Implementation examples: MGU plus Rimac plus Nevera, S plus Koenigsegg plus Jesko, CAN bus plus Rolls-Royce plus Spectre. Explanation script: for the presenter, to maintain the level of rigor our methodology demands, we do not dissect isolated components, we dissect complete architectures. From this point forward, every system analyzed under code base 001 will carry a unique label defined by the formula, component plus OEM plus model. By defining the OEM as our original equipment manufacturer, we establish absolute technical traceability from design through to final assembly. This allows us to classify every subsystem within the ecosystem of an elite luxury performance vehicle.